Hello guys, spring is here, and to celebrate we are launching our spring photography assignment. We want you to get out there with your cameras and capture this beautiful time of year. And to give you even more incentive to get out there with your cameras, we are going to give away 9 prizes, which include a copy of our book, our complete guide to photography book, and an enrollment into one of our online photography courses of your choice. So the competition is going to be judged in 3 categories. It's totally free to enter as well, this competition. I'll tell you how to enter in a minute, but let's talk about the categories first. The first category is landscape. So there's no time of year that changes the landscape more than spring, going from winter to spring. So we want you to go out and capture that change, or quite simply capture the beauty of the land in spring. Now, to get you warmed up, I've chosen some pictures off of unsplash.com. I do want to show you my own pictures because when you show your own pictures, there's just a general style to a group of pictures. Now, obviously I don't want that. I want lots of different styles coming from you guys, all right? So I've chosen some pictures from Unsplash. There is a link in the description of this video that you can click on and go and look at the gallery of images that I've chosen for you for inspiration. But I just want to show you one of them now, and this one is by John Price. And I like this shot because it's different. It's not your usual landscape shot. The composition is very linear. Obviously you've got these trees all going vertically throughout the frame, and you've got the spring flowers coming through them. So it's a really cool take on spring when it comes to landscape photography, and this is what I want you to do. You know, I want you to explore your own creativity. The competition is totally aimed just to get you out there with your camera, so get out there and be creative and try and do something different. The next category is portraiture. Now, this one really challenges people. In all of my courses, when I set portrait tasks, it seems to be the most challenging for the learning photographer, but it's a great task, and you can use the color and the freshness of spring to really enhance portraiture. Now, firstly, we have a whole tutorial on how you can use spring to enhance portraiture. Go and check that out. And again, I've made a gallery for you of portraits using spring in the description of this video. Click the link and you'll go and see it. And I'm going to highlight 2 photos from that gallery now, again from unsplash.com. The first one is by Ione Horst, and this is a great shot. The person in this picture, the portrait of the person, if you like, is the smallest part of the picture. The rest of it is taken up by all this green foliage and flowers, and it really shows off spring. So I like this because of the composition. It's not something that you would usually think of. The look of the model here is also really important, looking directly into the lens. Make sure you think about that, and just think to yourself, how can you use this beautiful time of year to enhance a picture of somebody? And I want to look at this other picture that I found, and it's by Marie-Sophie Tikian. Now, I hope I've pronounced that right, but this is a different type of portrait. It looks like, to me, it looks like a Martin Parr kind of shot. It's more of a documentary style of portraiture. I really like it. It's fun. It just makes you laugh. So don't forget that you can do it. Portraiture is a wide subject. It doesn't just have to be someone standing looking at a lens with flowers. Think about how else you can be creative in describing people. The next category I'm going to set for you is called close-up. I want you to get close, crop in and get creative, and show us these little parts of spring that make this season so nice. Again, there's a whole gallery of inspiration for you to go and see, link in description, and I'm going to pick this one to show you right now, and it's by Andrix Langfield, and it's a totally different take on what close-up could mean when it comes to spring. You've got a flower coming out of some concrete or brickwork or whatever that is. And I chose this picture because it's probably the least likely thing that people would choose to do under that category of close-up. But it really does hit the brief of that category. It's an interesting shot and it's showing spring, all right? So I've chose that one totally on purpose to kind of throw you out of sync, yeah? So don't forget that it is about creativity. I am going to be judging your creativity. Okay, let's talk to you about how you can enter this competition. Like I said to you before, it's totally free. All you need to do is upload the pictures onto social media. That's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Pinterest, and hashtag the picture TSOP Spring 19. And also in the description or the caption of that picture, you need to put the category that you are entering, i.e. is it landscape, is it portrait, or is it close-up? Now you can enter as many pictures as you like to as many of them categories as you like, doesn't matter, but you will only win, if you're lucky enough, you're only going to win in one of them categories. Now, we cannot accept email submissions. I'm afraid we get enough emails every day as it is. So if you do email your pictures, you won't get a response, I'm afraid. And I don't want to be sort of horrible, but it's just not going to happen. You're going to have to submit via social media and via that hashtag. And again, all of these details plus the terms and conditions, which is very important, are in the link in the description of this video. So make sure you click that link and you just go and check all of that out before you enter. So again, here is the prize. Well, firstly, it's getting you out there to do some photography and giving you some focus. So what more do you need? But apart from that, you can win, like I said, one of our books here, and that's going to help you with your photography. And also you will win one of our online courses as well, online course of your choice. So the competition runs from the 20th of March to the 31st of May, and we will announce winners on the 7th of June. So that's it, just hashtag TSOP Spring 19 on them social media platforms. You're also going to need to be following us on those social media platforms. Also on Facebook, you need to make it public because you can't see anything unless you make it public on Facebook. So make sure that you do that. Now, like I said before, even if you don't win, this is going to get you out there with your cameras and have some fun with it. And I really do hope that you do have some fun with it. Do it with your friends or your family or your kids or whatever you're going to do. And, you know, just get out there and enjoy spring and enjoy photography. I hope you enjoy this competition. I'm really, really looking forward to seeing your pictures. And yeah, I will see you soon. Don't forget to follow us on social media as well, because we will be uploading on social media people's entries as the competition goes. So it'd be great for you to obviously follow that on Instagram or Facebook or wherever you want to follow it from. So yeah, we look forward to seeing you then. Share this with your friends as well so they can go out and have some fun with photography as well. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done already. Tell us what you think in the comments. We love hearing from you, and doing all of them things just helps us to bring you these videos. And if you don't do them things, in fact, we can't bring you these tutorials. So thank you for liking the video, sharing it, subscribing, writing comments. You know, we really, really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.